Morning student, welcome to the VVPS e-learning classes. Children, in the previous video I have explained you about the Indian Constitution, right against exploitation and right to freedom of religion. These are the fundamental rights. Today I am going to explain you the next fundamental rights, that is cultural and educational rights. Articles 29 and 30 protect the religious and cultural right of the religious minority. They have the right to preserve their languages, script and culture. All minorities have the right to establish and administer educational institution of their choice. The state shall not discriminate against such institution while granting aid on the ground they are managed by a religious community. It means to say here that Articles 29 and 30 both this protest the religious and cultural right of the religious minorities. Minorities means the religious, like the like the Christianity, like the Sikh. These are the religious minorities. So they have the right to preserve their languages, script and the culture. So here I am writing it. You can see here that Articles 29 and 30 protect the religious and cultural right of the religious minorities. Now you can say that they have the right to preserve, means to protect. उनके पास ये राइट है, उनके पास ये हक है कि वो अपने लैंग्वेजेस, कल्चर इन सब को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. लैंग्वेज, स्क्रिप्ट and culture. So children, up to here it is clear that what is cultural and educational right. Articles 29 and 30 protect the religious and cultural right of the religious minorities, and they have the right to protect the languages, script and the cultures, and they have the right to establish. This point also you can write it, that all the minorities have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. So these were the right of the cultural and the educational right. So our next right is right to constitutional remedies. Right to constitutional remedies. This is also the fundamental rights. Articles 32 of the Constitution provide that the citizen who think that their fundamental right have been denied to them can move to the Supreme Court or the High Court to restore this right. It is called the soul and heart of the Constitution. Means to say here that in the constitutional right to constitutional remedy is the citizen have the fundamental right that if they think that the right has been denied to them, then they can move to the Supreme Court or the High Court to restore this right. So here I am writing it. Articles 32 of the Constitution Articles 32 of the Constitution provide that the citizen who think that their fundamental right have been denied to them can move to the Supreme Court or any High Court. For what? For restore their rights. To restore their this right, ताकि उनको ये rights मिल सके. It is called the soul and heart of the Constitution. So up to here it is clear, children, what is right to cultural and educational right, and children, what is right to constitutional remedies. In the next video I will explain you the last one, that is the right to children to free and compulsory education, or we can say that right to educational. This is the fundamental rights. So this is the last fundamental right that I will explain in the next video. Thank you, class.